Hi, I'm Sherry Gallant with Alberta Health Services for Health Matters, and today we're talking with Kelsie Dale, a public health inspector here in Lethbridge, and we're going to talk a little bit about West Nile virus, which is an annual summertime issue that we deal with after having all this rain that we've had, and now we're getting some sunshine. What happens now with mosquitoes, Kelsie?
Well, now is when the mosquito that carries West Nile virus really comes out for the season. It needs a certain amount of hot days for it to hatch, and with that water out there, it's got lots of places to do that, so you can expect it to show up now and for the rest of the summer.
So what can people do to try to mitigate the damage or keep it out of their yards or protect themselves when they're out?
Yeah, well, to start with, the best thing you can do is have a look around your yard for any places that might hold standing water, old tires, kids' games, toys, things like that, and make sure and just dump them out. Don't have standing water around, and that will not give them a place to breed. As far as protecting yourself, always wear bug spray with DEET in it if you can. Avoid being outside if at all possible at dusk and dawn hours, because that's when they're most active. And if you can wear light colored clothing, long sleeves if you can. A little bit harder to do when it's hot out, but light colored clothing is good. Hats are good, and if you can spend time outside in sort of a screened area and keep the bugs away from you, even better.
So when we talk about DEET and protection against insects, is there a difference between how you approach children versus adults?
Yeah, there are different concentrations of DEET available in the bug sprays on the market. So with children under 12, you want to make sure you pick one that has less than or 10% or less DEET, and only apply it 3 times a day. The rest of the time, use the other protective measures. Keep them out of the bugs' way if possible. For children under 2, you definitely want less than 10%, and only apply it once a day. Before they're mobile, you can get the bug screens that go over their strollers or go over their car seats that are a really good idea.
Wrap them up in netting and,
yeah,
out
and they're
you go.
protected, and out you go. They can enjoy the outside. Yeah, exactly.
Some people are worried about DEET being a chemical, and they may opt for natural products. Are they as effective in your opinion?
Some natural products can be effective in the environment and kind of keeping them away from you. Citronella candles and things like that in the backyard are definitely a good thing to use, but DEET as a chemical has been proven to be the most effective insect repellent in general.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.